of Brinks PushPullRotate, the hands-full doorknob by Jonah. Okay? Costs $32 at Lowe's and takes 10 minutes for an adult to install. Okay? So, here's the doorknob. You can do it the ordinary way. And you can also pull it.
Ooh.
Okay? So, I'll show you what you can do on the outside. Okay, let's say I have something big and heavy in my hands. Okay. So I can't open it the original way. So I can push it. And that is the Brinks Home Security PushPullRotate, the hands-full doorknob by Jonah.